In a sunny forest, Bella Bird loved to sing. One day, her friend Max Mouse asked, "Bella, how do you make those pretty sounds?" Bella replied with a smile, "It's like talking through my beak. I use my voice to share happiness." Max was curious and wanted to try, so he took a deep breath and squeaked loudly. They both laughed as the other animals joined in. Suddenly, they heard an echo from the mountains. It was Sammy Squirrel singing back. They discovered that singing made everyone feel joyful together. Bella said happily, "See, singing is like sharing your heart with friends."